¿Qué onda, raza? It's your boy El Jesus. Project for today is I want to make another bike stand, heavy duty stand, the heavy bikes on top. I'm thinking the Columbian would be a perfect fit, but I also want the jaws to be exactly the same height as this one, so that way I could put a heavy piece of metal in there in case I need to cut it, bend it, or twist, all that good stuff. And I think I have enough material in the back that I could get it done. So let's get started. All right, so the plan with the stand and the vise is to be the same height as this one. This one's 38 and a half, 38 3/8 to be exact. So we'll see how that works out. So the stand is 38 and a half. The level was a little off, but I got another measurement off. And all these plates together, so 1 3/4. 38 and a half minus 1 3/4. I'm sure it was simple. So you find 38 and a half minus 1 3/4. That's 36 3/4. 36 3/4. That's the size of the middle beam. That's what I'm gonna have to cut it at. All right, got the edges rounded. Cut a couple of inches off that plate right there. About to clean the bottom plate, and that one's all done too. So we're making progress. All right, guys, keep in mind, none of this is tacked or welded. It's just standing by itself now. So I'm using the reed to hold that vise in place while I remove the crane. This is just a perfect example of how they're both gonna come in handy together, same height. Look at that. How cool is that? All right, I'm about to get started drilling some holes. I got my mag drill set up already. I ended up getting 3/4 inch bolts, grade 8. I'm gonna be using that for the vise and the vase. And hopefully I get to finish this today. I got a big project for the rest of the year. So this will probably be the last one. Hopefully not, but let's get it done. All right, so there's the hole, pretty clean. I got a 3/4 inch tap. I got a gator grip. I did order the top socket set, but it's gonna take a couple of days. This should do it for now. Let's get it going. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Look at that. All right, let's get this one going. What do you guys think? Should I fill that with sand? At least halfway to add some weight on it? So this bracket is gonna be in that bolt, and the nut it's gonna be grabbing the leg vise. Just for extra support. There she is, finally done. Adding this 8-inch leg vise on it was just something that came to me when I was building the stand. And I also made it easy to be removed in case I needed to. Top of the jaws came in exactly level, just like planned. Really happy how this bike stand came out. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for the love. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.